How's everybody doing today? This is a muskrat air gunner. Today I want to make a video of filling one of my tanks up with my 4-stage Tuxing compressor. Seems to be a pretty good compressor. I like it a whole lot. But today we're going to see how long it takes to fill this tank up. I figured I'd make a video of it. So we're going to get started here to fill this tank up. First of all, I'll cut it on, then I'll let it go through the process to drain, and then I'll shut my bleed valves and everything. Then I've got my timer here. We'll time it, see how long it takes. I done checked the oil and everything in it, and it's all right. I like to check the temperature with my temperature gauge here to make sure it don't overheat. Make sure it's doing okay. really like this compressor. It does a good job pumping these tanks up. And that there you hear is the pressure relief valve on it going off. That's a good thing. I like it a whole lot. But this, like I say, this compressor does a good job. If you would like one, call Chad Simon at Lethal Air. He got me this compressor. He got me a good deal on it. So if you need one, I really can push these compressor, because I've used this is about the 6th or 7th time I've used it, and it's done good. So go ahead and give Chad Simon a call and get you one of these from him. He can hook you right up with one. I like him. He's a pretty good fella to deal with. This is a Muskrat Air Gunner. Please like and subscribe. There's how long it took to fill it up. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now I'll release the pressure off of it where you can hear it. And that's all it is to it. This is a Muskrat Air Gunner. Please like and subscribe.